What's going on, guys? Been a while. There she is, sitting in her new home, of course, right now. But my focus today is working on this car. It's got a set of blown head gaskets on it, I guess. Guy actually bought the white car. I'm going to work on this. And as you've seen in my other video, I have a new shop coming that I'm building, working on, fixing, whatever you want to call it. So anyways, let's get to it. We're going to pull all this stuff off, get the heads off, and there's actually a set of aluminum heads laying around here somewhere. I got to find them. Anyways, this is a 95 Mustang 302 pushrod motor, of course. Of course, he went out and played. It's got a supercharger and a nitrous kit on it, and pretty sure he popped the head gaskets on it. So hang out here. I'm doing this on one hand here, so update again here in a second. Alright, got one side off here. I got to run to the other shop and get a power steering pump puller, because we ain't got one here, or pulley puller. Ain't got one here. So run and go get that, and we'll get back on this thing. Alright, guys. Got both heads off. Time for some cleanup, and started pulling the other harness, the factory harness, off so we can run the Terminator harness. We're gonna do that later. First, we're gonna get this running, or heads on here, closed back up, and then we're gonna work on the Holley stuff. So anyways, a little update here. And this is just a stock motor. It's got a B303 camshaft in it. He's running a little what is it, powerdyne, I guess. Yeah, powerdyne. Make a small boost, and then a shot of nitrous out of an AODE car. So just something to play with. Got the fast car. You know, thousands of dollars dumped into this one. Takes millions to make a 2-valve fast, but there it is. Anyways, my little rant. Work on the 5.0 here for a little bit. Be back. Still at this car. We're gonna do a set of gears for this car too, so stay tuned to that. I'm waiting on some RTV to show up to finish the heads up, so I figured I'd pop the rear end open and let it start draining. Alright, making progress. Got all the heads torqued down. I gotta finish setting the rockers up on this side, seal it up, and hopefully be ready to start it here in a minute. Well, minute to you guys, probably a couple hours for me. Anyways, be right back. Alright guys, let's update. We're getting closer, getting it done. Get the valve cover on here. I'll get this valve cover on, start bolting the accessories on, charger on. I still got to do the gears on it and swap out for the Holley after all that. So anyways, hang out for a second. Alright, boys and girls, we're about ready here. Got the timing light, about to crank her over, set the timing, and I'll do an idle video after it gets timed out here. Alright, let's get to getting the gears done. We got to start up. Don't mind my ratchet strap. Let's do some gears. So this is untuned right now. Alright guys, hopefully you can hear me over this fan running. That's the wrap up. Got to drive this car yesterday. Got the aluminum heads put on, about to start working on the Holley stuff. Got the 430 gears put in. Now to get it tuned, do some test runs. But I'm gonna cut it on that one, on this one. And again, the shop is gonna be open here. Some new ideas, some new builds. I already got a couple. I got my truck sitting here. I got a 56 F100 sitting back over here at the 4-valve. So we're gonna have a few new projects in the shop here. This shop is still in works. I got a bunch to do still, but I did get my air compressor. Well, I got to finish putting hoses on it. Air compressor's mounted up. So yeah, dreams coming true here. So anyways, I'm gonna cut this video here. Enough rambling on. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like and subscribe if you want to see more content. We're gonna get into painting more stuff. We're gonna do some more builds. I got a C10 coming. It's gonna be a fresh paint job on it. Nothing crazy, just guy wants it nice. So that is all. Have a good day. So anyways, we're gonna wrap up this one. We got the Holley in. We still got to go drive it, do some tuning on it. I'll get some idle videos of it here a little bit later. Projects in the works here is a 4-valve 1956 F100. Gonna get it running. Got a Holley for it. We're gonna patch up some of the stuff that was cut out, run a gas tank, do a lot here, but we're gonna get going on this project and see what we got here. And we still got this one to finish up. This is my 79 F100. I still need to finish the Bondo and the door, prime it out, and get it going. See, I got a bunch of stuff going here. I got to finish up an exhaust fan, get it mounted. Besides that, the shop is a mess. I got stuff everywhere still in here, but I hope you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if you want to see some more content. Thanks.